Hello everybody, this is our video number 2 on the same topic that universe, and in this video we will start a new topic or a new concept, that is the constellations. So what is the constellation? The constellation is nothing but a recognizable pattern. So constellations is nothing but a recognizable pattern formed by a group of stars. Okay? So the constellations, a recognizable patterns formed by a group of stars. And there are the 82 standard constellations recognized by the International Astronomical Union. So there are the 88 standard constellations recognized by the International Astronomical Union, in short IAU, since 1922. The majority of these go back to the 48 constellations defined by the Ptolemy. The Ptolemy, he was a Greek astronomer. Okay? In his Almagest, a book written by the Ptolemy in 2nd century. The remaining ones were defined in the 17th and the 18th century. Okay? So, the constellations, there are the 88 constellations as per our International Astronomical Union. But in short, IAU. Okay? And in between these 88, so the total number of constellations is 88. And in between this 88, the 48 is found by the Ptolemy. Okay? And remaining part is, and all these 48 constellations is found in the 2nd century. And all the remaining constellations is found in the 17th and 18th century. Today, in this class, we will discuss the some important and the prominent constellation. The first one, the Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Orion, Sirius, and the Cassiopeia. So, Ursa Major, it is also named as the Great Bear, and this constellation is visible throughout the year in the most of the northern hemisphere. So this point is very important. This Ursa Major is also known as the Great Bear, and this constellation is visible throughout the year, the northern hemisphere, and it can be best seen in April, and it is visible during the summer, early in the night. It consists of the 7 bright stars and reassemble a big, little, or a question mark. So it contains, the Ursa Major is also contain the 7 stars, and if you consider all the 7 stars and the reassemble them, it's make a question mark or the big little. Okay? And the 3 stars make the handle of this little, and the other 4 marks is both. Okay? So in between this 7, the 3 belongs to the handle of the ladle, and this 4 belongs to the bowl of this ladle. Okay? And the pole star can be located with the help of the Ursa Majors, and it is in a straight line with the two-tailed star of the Ursa Major, and it is interesting to know that the Ursa Major appears to move around the pole star. Next one, the Ursa Minor. It is also known as the Little Bear. So this one is called the Great Bear and this one is called the Little Bear. And it is also a group, the seven bright stars, with including the pole star. So it is also contain the seven bright star, including the pole star. Okay, and these constellations can be seen in the northern sky. And like the Great Bear, the tail of the Little Bear may also be seen as the handle of the ladle, and thus it is named as the Little Dipper. And the star at the end of the dipper handle is the pole star, is called the Polaris. So this is the difference between the Ursa Minor and the Ursa Majors. And both these constellations contain the seven stars, but the Ursa Minor also contains the seven bright stars, including the pole star. And it is also like the Great Bear, but another name of this Ursa Minor is called Little Bear and another Little Dipper. And the star at the end of the dipper handles is the pole star. So at the end of this dipper handles belongs to a particular star that is called the pole star, and the name of this star is also called the Polaris. Next one, the Orion. It is called the Vyada or the Mriga in Hindi. It can be seen during the winters in the late evenings. So it can be seen during the winter in the late evening. It looks like a hunter. So it is a look like a hunter. And the Orion includes the prominent patterns known as the belt of the Orion, in which the three bright stars are in a row. Okay? There are the four bright stars surrounding the belt at the roughly similar distance, and which are considered to represent the outline of the hunter's body. And the describing from the belt is a smaller line of three stars known as the hunter shoulder. Okay? Next one is the Sirius. The biggest star is also located at the straight line passing through the three middle stars of the Orion. So the Sirius is a biggest star and it is located on the straight line which are the passing through the three middle stars of Orion. Next one is the Cassiopeia. It is a constellation in the northern sky named as the Twin Cassiopeia, and it is also called the Survey Star in Hindi. It is a group of the five bright stars and the several star clusters. So it is a combination of the five, mainly the five stars. Okay? And the shape of this Cassiopeia is the W or the M, and we can easily find out or recognize these constellations with help of this particular distinct pattern, that is the W, where some people consider it as W or M. Okay? So this is our overall concept of the constellations, and this topic is very important as per our exam point of view, because each and every constellations as it treated as a short note or many short type questions is come from this topic. So it is very important as per your exam point of view. That's all for the today's lecture. Thank you everybody.